It's very cold in San Jose. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anton and today we're comparing 2018 versus 2019 C43 AMG. Let's go! Alright guys, let's talk about performance. So both cars have 3-liter engine V6 bi-turbo. Both cars have 4MATIC system, so that's mean it's 4-wheel drive, and both cars have 9-speed automatic transmission. 2018 model has 362 horsepower and 2019 model has 385 horsepower. So we have a difference in the horsepower, but for some reason the feet-pound of torque is the same for both cars, so it's 384. Alright, this is what is on paper, but what about the driving those cars? How does it feel? So I drove both cars for about a year, and I have to say I don't actually see the big difference in the horsepower. So 362 versus 385, I can barely tell the difference. I mean, the only thing where you can see the difference, it's maybe the styling of the car, which we'll talk next. But performance, so both cars 4-wheel drive, both cars V6 and 3-liter bi-turbo engine, so it's enough power. So it is definitely a fun car. So if you wanna, like, I would say all around the car where you can drive to work and take it to the mountains, take it to the track, or drive comfortable, so this is actually the perfect car. So I would say if you're looking for the car in this price range and the styling, like a coupe 2-door, definitely consider this car. And consumption, actually it's pretty good. So if you plan to take this car for a road trip, I would say, so it probably can make like around 25 miles per gallon on the highway. So I also took both cars to the track, so actually to Laguna Seca. 2018 model I took in December, which was actually a rainy day on Laguna Seca, and 2019 model I took in summer, I think it was June, and it was sunny weather. So I mean, both cars performs I would say the same on the track, since it's, I mean, not much difference in the horsepower. The only thing, like one day was raining, another one was very sunny. So in rainy day I couldn't go like full power, like really hard on the car, but with 2019 model I could actually take the full advantage of the car and the track. But still I have to say that when I took 2019 model to the track, the car still feels a little bit heavy in the corners, but still, I mean, you can definitely have fun with this car on the track. And I also had stock tires, so maybe if you put some kind of like a track tires, like more sticky tires, it will be better in the corners. So I had performance exhaust actually for both cars, 2018 and 2019 model, so I didn't notice any change in the sound, how the exhaust sounds. So it looks a little bit different, but it sounds very similar. So it's still popping pretty good. So if you go in the Sport Plus mode, it's definitely a fun car. Alright, second part, let's talk about body styling in both cars. I would say those two cars have two major differences. So one of them is the rear part of the car, where is actually exhaust the difference. So now in 2019 model we have a round exhaust, so 2 on each side, so 4 in total. And in 2018 model we have those I don't know, butterflies, or like kind of like those slim exhausts. So my personal opinion, I do like the 2019 model, so those round exhaust looks, in my opinion, way better. And then the front grille, so in 2018 model we have a diamond grille, which is very similar to C300 with sport package. So, and in 2019 model we have now more AMG styling grille and the bumper. So in my opinion, I also like 2019 facelift better than 2018, and everything else is pretty much the same. So if you look on both cars from the side, I you barely can tell the difference if it's 2018 or 2019 model. The only thing what I have with 2019 model is the AMG Studio Performance Package. I think that's how it's called. It has just more aggressive bumpers and more aggressive styling from outside. Alright, part number 3, let's talk about interior. So they share the same interior. So 2019 model has now steering wheel from the S-Class, so you have a touchpads on the both sides, and then you also can control your volume. It's pretty nice steering wheel actually. I like it very much, and in my opinion this is a huge improvement compared to 2018 model. So then what else is different is infotainment system. So this is the next generation infotainment systems, also very similar from the S-Class, and now we finally have a CarPlay in this car. So 2018 model doesn't have actually CarPlay, so it's not even the option, so there is no way you can get the CarPlay. But now in 2019 model is the standard. So 2019 model, I had those dynamic seats, so I actually like them better than the leather seats in 2018 model. I don't know, but the feeling and the look actually, I like it more than the leather. And the also cool thing, I had the red seat belts in 2019 model versus black in 2018. Now what else is different? So in 2019 model, so the CD player is now gone, so there is no way you can play your CDs. If you're still doing this, I don't know. I don't even remember when the last time I used actually CD in the car or in general. And both cars has also panorama roof, so this is the standard. Alright, final thoughts. So I like both cars. So if you actually on the market right now or shopping for those two cars, just make sure you get the performance exhaust, and if you find better deal for 2018 or 17 models than 19, so definitely go ahead with 17 or 18 models, since I don't really see the difference in performance. But if you want to have a CarPlay and a little bit better styling and the cool exhaust pipes on the back, so definitely consider a 2019 model. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit this like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and don't forget to take this bad boy to the track. Peace.